Now, you might think The Rock is already carved out of granite. After all, the guy's muscles are basically their own zip code. But apparently, even the People's Champ decided, hey, I can do better, and went on a mission to shed some serious pounds for his role as MMA fighter Mark Kerr in The Smashing Machine. And let me tell you, the results are so dramatic, they might just be more shocking than seeing your favorite celebrity in a suit that actually fits. Picture this: Dwayne strutting the red carpet at Venice, looking like he's been hitting the gym so hard, even the gym's asking for tips. He was rocking a sleek, gray, double-breasted suit, pairing it with a tan button-up and some dainty glasses, because why not? So buckle up, because today we're diving into how The Rock is proving that even the biggest stars are not afraid to turn things upside down, sometimes literally, with all the water manipulation and muscle science involved. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Dwayne The Rock Johnson is giving fans another glimpse at his dramatic weight loss transformation. The actor, who drastically slimmed down for his role as MMA fighter Mark Kerr in The Smashing Machine, looked especially trim for the movie's premiere at the Venice International Film Festival in Italy Monday night. Johnson showed off his fit physique in a gray double-breasted suit, which he paired with a tan button-up shirt and dainty eyeglasses. Throughout the event, he posed for several pics with co-star Emily Blunt, who shimmered in a sparkling silver, floor-length gown. Fans first caught a glimpse of Johnson's newly slimmed-down figure following his arrival to the City of Water over the weekend. On Saturday, the former professional wrestler, 53, was met with shock from his fans after pictures of him heading to the Myo Myo Women's Tales event started circulating online. He wore a light blue collared shirt and black dress pants for the outing. The Rock has turned into a pebble, one user wrote of the Moana actor via X. Looks like AI to me, another joked. Johnson previously revealed that he was really hungry to undergo the significant weight loss transformation for his role as Kerr in the Benny Safdie-directed movie. I had been very fortunate to have the career that I've had over the years and to make the films that I've made, but there was just a voice inside of me, a little voice that said, well, what if I could do more? I want to do more, and what does that look like? He said, for The Hollywood Reporter. This wouldn't be the first time the actor has made some drastic changes to his physique for a role. In 2023, he revealed how he changed his diet and workout regimen to prep for his leading turn in Black Adam, in which he portrayed the DC Comics superhero. Been working extremely hard dieting, training, and conditioning unlike any other role of my entire career, he wrote on Instagram at the time. Manipulating water, sodium, cardio, but also having to push and pull real iron to have dense, dry, detailed muscle. It's a real science that takes months and months to dial it all in with my strength and conditioning coach at Devirienzi, who keeps a very watchful eye, constantly fine-tuning our strategy daily. And there you have it, folks. Dwayne The Rock Johnson once again showing us that dedication, hard work, and a little bit of that Hollywood magic can lead to incredible transformations. Whether he's shedding pounds for a movie role or bulking up to become a superhero, The Rock proves that no goal is too big when you're committed. Thanks for hanging out with us today and diving into The Rock's incredible transformation. And ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Drop a comment below. What do you think about The Rock's new look? Are you inspired to start your own fitness journey? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.